Friends, in previous class we have discussed about rays of diagrams and rules of ray diagrams. Now we are construct a image with concave mirror and as well as by using any two rays from this four kind of rays. Four kind of rays means in previous class we have discussed now four rules of ray diagrams. In that rules we can take two. Okay, let's start the class. Graphical construction of image in concave mirror. Position of object object at an infinity. In this case, a parallel beam of light fall on the concave mirror. In this case, the parallel beam of light fall on the concave mirror. That parallel beam is also parallel to principal axis. Okay, let's see this diagram. See friends, మీకు డౌట్ రావచ్చు ఎప్పుడు ఏ డయాగ్రామ్ అని. ఒకే డయాగ్రామ్ మీద చాలా టాపిక్స్ ఉంటాయి, చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ మీనింగ్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఎప్పుడు ఇదే డయాగ్రామ్ అని వినకుండా ఉండకండి. Okay, student friends, concave mirror, a beam of light parallel to the principal axis fall on the concave mirror. If parallel rays fall on the concave mirror, what happens? Yes friends, I hope you know, if the parallel rays fall on the concave mirror, it is automatically converge, is reflected ray. Here see friends, here if you see now, f means focus. Here the image is formed. After this diagram, we have to know characteristics of this image. Friends, so please write this characteristics of this image. First character, where the image is formed, you know friends, the image is formed on focus. Rewrite it focus. Second one, what type of image we discussed? We discussed about two type of image. One is real and another one is virtual image. Here it is real image. Third point, real images are inverted. Next to last one, size of image enta, size of image is point size. See friends, point size. May you get this kind of questions in 2 marks, so write it friends, it is important. Then he will give a construct image formation in concave mirror when object is infinity. When here this is first kind at object is infinity, first case. In this case, beam of light parallel to the principal axis. So now we discussed about second kind of concave mirror. Let's go to second. Position of object at an infinity. Here beam of light not parallel to principal axis friends. Here beam of light not parallel to principal axis. Okay, see the diagram. This is concave mirror. In every diagram we should identify pole, focus and center of curvature. See friends, beam of light is parallel, but parallel beam is not parallel to principal axis. Beam of light is parallel, but parallel beam is not parallel to principal axis. Try to draw the line straight friends. See friends, I draw the incident rays. Incident rays fall on the concave mirror, it will reflect here. Hit these lines. Draw carefully friends. See 4 rays. Then where the image is formed here. So keep the point and denote I. Keep the point and denote I. Where the image is formed here now friends. Once try to draw a perpendicular line towards the principal axis. Once draw a perpendicular line to the principal axis. See friends, perpendicular means normal to the principal axis. The normal which is drawn from the formation of image that need at an focus. Here the position object is focal plane. This is total focal plane. See friends, this is drawn, this is focus. So this is all focal plane friends. Now we can know about this characteristics of image. Where the image form at focal plane. Next, image is real. This image is real. Third one, image is inverted. Yes, this image is inverted. What is the size of image? The image size is point size. This is second position of the object friends. Now let us discuss another one. Object meaning in and friends, if the incident ray parallel to the principal axis, we can see the object at the focus. Incident ray ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్కి ప్యారలల్గా ఉందనుకో మనము ఫోకస్ దగ్గర క్లియర్ పిక్చర్ని చూస్తాం. ఒకవేళ ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే నాట్ ప్యారలల్ టు ద ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్కి ప్యారలల్గా లేదనుకో మనం ఈ ఫోకల్ పాయింట్ దగ్గర ఇమేజ్ని చూస్తాం. ఇది ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఇది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ మీనింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ దాంట్లోకి మనం వెళ్ళిపోదాం. Position of object beyond center of curvature. In this case the object is beyond of curvature, not at infinity. This arrow mark have na friends, this indicate object. ఈ arrow mark ని indicate object గా అనుకున్నాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది ఏదంటే రూల్ 1 ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఎస్టర్డే మనం క్లాస్ చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా రేస్ ఆఫ్ డయాగ్రామ్లో రూల్ 1 అది ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్కి how many rays we take? See friends, how many take? We take 2 rays from the same point, that is parallel to the principal axis. Parallel to the principal axis. According rule 1, parallel to principal axis, if incident ray pass parallel to the principal axis, then it reflected to the focus. So it is rule 1 friends. Then rule 2, the incident ray passes parallel to the focus, passes focus. The after reflection it fall parallel to the principal axis. Then where we can see the image here friends, at intersecting point we can keep it image image. Draw the normal friends where from intersecting point. So now we can write about characters of this image. The image is formed where the image is formed at intersecting point between C and F. Between C and F, this image is real or not? Yes, this is a real image because we have proven our friends by the lab activity, and this here the reflector rays are converted, so the image is real. The real image will inverted, so this is inverted. What the size of image friends? It is diminished. Diminished means smaller than this object.